Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to pass us History Regents essay. Start by reading the prompt carefully and underlining task words, then plan a clear thesis and a simple outline before you write. Use a 4-5 paragraph structure with topic sentences that connect to your thesis. Choose 3 strong pieces of evidence and explain why each supports your claim, linking back to the prompt throughout the essay. Craft a concise one-sentence thesis that answers the prompt and sets up your argument. Select 3 pieces of specific evidence drawn from your knowledge or provided documents, and be precise with names, dates, or legislation. For each evidence point, write 2 to 3 lines explaining how it supports the thesis and connects to the prompt. Keep language clear and avoid filler to save time and earn clarity. Divide your available time. 5-10 minutes to plan, most time to write focused paragraphs, and 5 minutes to proofread. Start each body paragraph with a topic sentence that ties back to the thesis and signals your point. Use transitions to show cause, effect, or continuity between paragraphs. Keep sentences concise, avoid drifting off topic, and correct glaring grammar or spelling errors during your final read-through.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.